He better be. I never said I would do it.
You're literally dragging it with you.
You go. Wow, congrats. Yeah. But you won.
Where are we at, Dan?
Le Grand Parc Miribel.
Yep. That's where we are.
Okay. I didn't even know that I brought my camera, but I did. I guess I'm a real YouTuber now. My camera is
Always on with you.
Yep.
Now we're on a hike. We'll have to show
We
them.
saw a beautiful beach. I would love to show it to you, but it's actually a secret. We're not supposed to go there. And that was before I knew that I brought my camera, so I'm really sorry, guys.
I mean, we could always show them like from far away.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, because we accidentally went to the beach.
Accidentally went to the beach.
We accidentally went to the beach, and then police on a boat came and were zooming in and were like, "Get out of here."
Yeah.
We were like, okay. We were going in.
Not the police, but like some kind of guards on Coast Guard on boats.
So we're just rebels. It kind of looks like a dark evil duck because it's all black.
True, yeah. It looks like a dark character from Super Smash Mario Bros.
That's not even a game. No, it's not.